The Association for Key Account Management was founded in 2016. Its mission is to gain much needed recognition for the profession and the practices of key account management. Since then, it has grown in numbers in the community, in influence and in understanding of what key account management can be and should be.
Of all the many challenges in account management, I think one of the more significant is the move from managing the customer nationally to managing regionally and then on to managing globally. And the good news is it's very likely that someone else is wrestling with these same issues. And even though they may not have solved them, may not have an answer for you, simply having a non-partisan, like-minded senior manager with whom you can discuss some of these issues can be a real benefit. And I think that's one of the great advantages you get from membership of the association.
AKAM is a community of 500 members connected to a broader community of 2,000 professionals. This community is about sharing knowledge, sharing experience, ideas. In such a field like key account management, this is absolutely crucial.
The website gives members access to an unparalleled collection of material about key account management, nearly 200 items. These papers and articles, webinars, videos, presentations, case studies and more, all about key account management. So there's a good chance of finding out what you need to know about CAM when you need to know it.
Over the last 5 years, AKAM contributed to the spreading of CAM knowledge through different live opportunities. 18 conferences and workshops, 17 live webinars have been organized, and there is much to come, so stay tuned and looking forward to meeting you.
As a corporate member of AKAM, we have access to the Programme Directors Forum. The Programme Directors Forum is a fantastic opportunity to discuss key topics in key account management and to share successes and challenges with people who do a very similar job to me in other organisations. So it gives you a really good perspective on some of the challenges we face and is a real asset. It helps me improve my ability to lead key account management in my own organisation.
Dear key account management professionals, AKAM's mission is to professionalize and increase standards of practice in key account management, gain recognition for CAM. The best way to achieve that is through sharing the knowledge, insights, best practices, viewpoints, everything what makes key account management so important nowadays. AKAM Bimonthly Bulletin is a great example of that. I think so far it is the best periodical for key account managers.
From the beginning, AKAM realised there was a need for a formal qualification for experienced key account managers. I've worked in key account management all my career, but the only formal qualification I've got postgraduate is in marketing. Now you, as working key account managers, can have your competence formally recognised through the AKAM Diploma, either with a new or an existing employer. Thank you.
The AKAM Key Account Manager of the Year Award acknowledges exceptional key account management performance and creation of value. It's awarded to an individual, yet credits the account team, the organisation and the impact of key account management itself. Over the last 3 years, our judges have been very impressed with the quality of applications from a variety of sectors and geographies, and our worthy winners have been delighted to receive the foremost recognition.
If you have a professional interest in key account management, join AKAM and become part of this dynamic, supportive community. You can make a start by visiting the website.